Istanbul's where East meets West. Let's check out the best street food around. First up, Sultanahmet Köftecisi. They've been serving legendary grilled meatballs since 1920. That's pure history in every single bite. Next, we're heading to Eminönü for balık ekmek. It's grilled mackerel served right off the swaying boats. You can taste the true soul of the city right here. Number 3 is Ortaköy kumpir. These are giant baked potatoes loaded with everything you can possibly imagine. It's the ultimate visual feast. Our fourth stop is Midyeci Ahmet, the self-proclaimed Lord of Mussels. They're fresh, spicy, and so addictive. You really can't eat just one. Finally, Champion Kokoreç, grilled lamb intestines with secret spices. It's bold, crispy, and the absolute king of late-night eats. And for a secret bonus stop, Vefa Bozacısı. This place has been serving the legendary fermented grain drink boza since 1876. Topped with cinnamon and roasted chickpeas, it's like a time machine in a glass. Which city should the AI explore next? Let me know in the comments.